Hey, what's up, you guys? Tom is back with another Linsense video. Today I have my weekly rotation on deck, but before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys. Again, it is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you're watching me right now in the back of that cab, in the back of that Uber, trying to get from one destination to the next, and the guy's driving erratically, so you put those headphones in, you watch a video, and you kind of hope he just gets you there safely. However, wherever you watch me, it is an honor. If you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very, very important. Likes are very important because I obviously liked these 7 fragrances because I chose each one of them for the last 7 days. So let's begin. Now, the last one that I got is for today. That is going to be Church Day, Sunday, God's Day. So we'll save that for the end, obviously. And we'll start off with Monday. Monday this week, I went with a fragrance that I don't even have a video on. I just, I was like, man, let's try this. And, when you see the name, you think it's going to be like this dark, sweet, like you got to wear this at nighttime. It's just a cool weather fragrance, but it's actually it's kind of like a oldie, spicy fragrance. This one is Afnan Supremacy Noir, okay? Only problem with this one, especially considering Afnan Supremacy incense, it's not as loud as I would like, but it smells very good. Smells kind of, again, like old manny with a little bit of this kind of modern twist, but you get that green spicy. Okay, this stuff smells great. Again, it's not super loud. I wish it was louder, but some people probably aren't gonna like this because they're gonna think it smells like old man, which it kind of does. But then if you got an open mind to fragrances, you're gonna enjoy this one. Okay, so this one is that Afnan Noir Supremacy. So again, I wish it was a little bit louder. I wish it was lasting a little bit longer, especially compared to incense. But it got the job done on Monday. So there is that. What did I wear Tuesday? Tuesday, you ask? Tuesday, you asked, is a fragrance that I wore that I actually did a video not too long ago on. I was like, man, I'm going to have to give this a little test run just to see how it is. And I got to tell you guys, it did pass the test. Good 6 to 7 hours, especially for like a $29, $30, $5 fragrance. You can't beat that. 2 hours of nice projection. That is that El Watanya Nadine. This one is kind of like that almost like fruity, powdery, almost Smarties or sweet tartish. This smells elegant. This smells like a box, but you get that fruity kind of powdery smell. White florals, okay? But this stuff smells so good. Nadine, that is that El Watanya. Again, wore that on Tuesday. Such a good fragrance, especially after doing a little first impressions on it. I was quite impressed on that out. So Tuesday was that Nadine. Wednesday, hey, eventually sometimes you need to just throw in a Tiger clone. I think last week I had a Tiger clone. This week I went with this one. Now, if this one, could last as long as the last one, it would be, in a lot of videos too. Unfortunately, it doesn't last as long, but it smells just as good. You guys know that is that El Kiyama Silver. Again, you guys know it's like a Tiger clone. Citrusy, fresh, crisp. This just smells so good, you guys. This is just a fragrance that is so easy to wear, people pleasing, non-offensive. People that get whiffs of it really enjoy it. So again, that is that El Kiyama Silver. Again, similar to Tiger, but I think the other Tiger clone is actually better because I think it lasts longer and it's actually noticeable throughout the day. This one, once in a while you get whiffs here and there, but not as much as the last one. But again, obviously you need a Tiger scent in the middle of the week somewhere. So there's that El Kiyama Silver, Latafa. Next up, Thursday. We're almost getting close to the end of the week. And Thursday, we went with this one from Fragrance World. This one is that Le Parfum. You guys know this is copying YSL's Y Le Parfum. And again, you kind of get that fresh. You kind of get a little bit of that fruity, appley. But then you get this kind of warm, ambery smell, which is very nice. Now, it wasn't cold in the fort, but I'm sitting in a car anyways. It's got air conditioning blast. This thing smells great. Not as loud again as I would like. Again, not all fragrances need to be bombs, okay? Not all fragrances need to be like that. But this one didn't do it for me as far as like no kind of compliments, but that's not the reason why I wear fragrance. I wear it because I like the way they smell. And this one smells good. Just, if you guys are in the hunt for compliment machines, this one didn't do it. But then again, most people sometimes just don't give compliments, okay? Again, it's not because you smell. It's not because they're not smelling it. They just don't feel like saying anything. So with that being said, that is that Le Parfum fragrance world. Again, a clone of YSL's Y Le Parfum. Again, it smells good. It smells good. Okay, got that freshness from that apple, but then you get this like ambery, almost woody darkness a little bit, but very good fragrance. Okay, so that is Thursday. Now we're getting to the end of the week, especially the work week. If you guys are lucky to work a Monday through Friday schedule. If not, I don't know what your end of the work week is, but this is for most people. This one is Jean Paul Gaultier Airlines. I actually got this one when it was like $45. This one is green. It's spicy. That cardamom in here gives it that sweet sexiness. I think this might be my only JPG fragrance, so I can't say if this is, like giving you that DNA, but from what I can tell, the cardamom in here is very nice. The green in here is very nice. It's minty, it's green. Again, spicy from that cardamom. This fragrance is good. And it's one of those fragrances that it's not super duper loud, but you will notice it all throughout the day. You get whiffs all the time. Okay, this is not like the Alchem Silver where it's like here you get a little bit of whiff, here you get a little bit of whiff with the breeze. This one was pretty much all day you get to notice. Again, it's not super duper loud, but definitely noticeable throughout the day. That is that JPG Airlines, because it's got the airline logo right there. That's why. So that's Friday. Saturday was a warm day. I decided to go with this. Not sure why. Now, I'm a little disappointed with this fragrance because it's the most expensive on this fragrance. It's probably at least more expensive than 3 of the fragrances I have here, but it's not loud. It's not really that noticeable throughout the day. It smells great. Maybe I'm just going nose blind to it. Who knows? But I don't know. But it seemed like no one really noticed. But that is that Gucci Guilty, the Eau de Parfum. Don't get that mistaken. There's EDT. There's a Parfum too now. This one, again, spicy, green, very nice fragrance. I love the way it smells. Got a little bit of, I think it's got a little bit of pink pepper in here, some spice, some green. Very good fragrance. It's just not, it's not even loud, and it's really not even that noticeable throughout the day, okay? It's not like even Alchem Silver, as much as it wasn't noticeable unless I hit some kind of good breeze, this one really didn't do much. And so, with that being said, this might be on the chop block eventually, pretty soon. Someone might want this Gucci Guilty. It's all the way full, too. Only wore it like 2 times, so it's been up there macerating like most of you guys say, but it just was not loud enough, not noticeable enough. So, but that was Gucci Guilty Eau de Parfum. Last but not least, I think of all these 7 fragrances, this one's probably the best, and I'm saving it for the best day. That is God's day. That is Sunday. That is that Afnan Edict Moustique. You guys know the first time I did impressions video, first impressions, I was blown away by this fragrance. This is actually one of my favorite buys of this year. Definitely, this is definitely probably in the top 5 of all my Middle Eastern fragrances. I just love the way this one smells. Fresh, white florals, musky, elegant, classy, gentleman-y. This stuff, when I say gentleman-y, I think of a gentleman wearing this, but obviously if you're a woman, you can wear this as well. But, I think it's more masculine in my opinion. So, this one I will be wearing later today. Again, musky, white florals. Just very good fragrance, okay? Very good. Very, very good. Oh, look at that. Didn't even know that comes off, but it does. See? Learn something new every day. Now, it doesn't come off because that's how it's meant to be, but I think the glue is kind of fading away, so we'll have to super glue that back. But anyways, there's that Mustique Afnan edit. So there you go. Those are my fragrances this week. The weekly rotation. The weekly rotation. All 7 of those. If you've ever tried any of those, let me know what you think of those. Maybe one of those days you wore the exact same fragrance I did, and if you did, cool. Or Spray Brothers. Okay. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys come back for more. Hopefully I'll be back for more. And I'll be getting out of here now. Peace.